Video is about N8N integration with ChatGPT. Sorry, I mean OpenAI. So now let's see how we can integrate. So just go to your N8N, click on integrations, whatever integrations you want to do. So always click on this, arrow down button and click on create credentials, and you will see a button or just search for OpenAI. Okay, so you see this OpenAI, right? Tap here, click on continue button. So if you are not know that OpenAI is basically a company that created ChatGPT. So if you want to integrate the ChatGPT LLM model to your anything, so you can see here it is asking you for the API key, right? So how you can get the API key? So it's something very simple, and that is the mandatory you can see over here. So all you need to do is to search for Open AI API. Click on enter button and you will see here platform.openai.com, or you can directly search for OpenAI platform. Okay. So the time when I'm recording the lecture, open this link. So this is how the look for anything looks like, but in future it would be slightly different, but currently when I'm recording it, this is how it will go. So make sure you will come up over here. And by the way, if you are totally new, okay, if you don't have the OpenAI, if you search for OpenAI playground, okay, so if you are totally new, so this is how it will going to look like. If you go here, so it will tell you to sign up or login. So in case you are totally new, click on sign up button. It's some very simple. Just put your email address. You can continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Just sign up, okay, and you will come over here. And from here, just click on this dashboard. Once you click on dashboard, click on API keys, and here you can just generate the API key. For example, if I write here maybe dummy, but make sure never share your API key with anyone else. Click on create secret key, copy this link, just go to OpenAI, remove each and everything you see here, paste the link you have just got, click on save button, and boom, you can see your credentials are successfully connected. Now you can you know easily integrate anything with your you know uh, OpenAI, or you can say chat GPT LLM or GPT LLM, whatever you want to. Okay, you can even change the name of it. Okay, so that's how you can do that. Save it and you can use it in your workflow. So that's how easy it is. Now one more thing which I want to tell you is that save it somewhere else, otherwise you will not be able to access it again. And the second thing is that your key will only going to work when you will going to have, okay, your billing setup. So if you go to your usage, so you have to put some money on your API key. Okay, so you can just do like this, or you can just simply go to top, and here you will see this option, or you can even top up the services. Okay, so that's how easy it is. So make sure that in usage you just go here, and you can click on this gear button, click on the billing option, and go here and attach your credit card and put some amount, okay, in your OpenAI. Even you can start with $5. You can click on add credit balance and add payment method and make the payment. Then only your API key will work with N8N. Okay, otherwise it will not work. So that's how simple it is to integrate N with OpenAI, or I can say ChatGPT LLM. Okay, and a few things which I want to tell you as well. You can always search for this website Kuku courses, and go to this kukucourses.com website. Once you go here, you can simply click on this library, click on free library here, and you can just go here to N8N credentials and integrations, click on view, and this will take you to N8N credentials and integrations. Okay, so here you will see all the services. So in future you will see more, like how to connect N8N with Airtable, with Google services like Gmail, Drive, Slide, and much more. So if you ever want to watch any other tutorials about integration, so you can simply click on view button, and it will show you with related video, and which you can prefer to watch, and you can learn how to integrate anything with you know uh, with other services. Also you can click on this courses button. By the way, you can search for N8N here, and you will going to find plenty of other tutorials we have. For example, N8N automation for AI agent full course, so you can just check it out just for $5. Okay, this course is available with the one-time payment. Also, you have the options of membership purchase, so you can purchase subscription lifetime membership. But if you see this course here, you can see the complete details about the course like AI agents setup, okay, and plenty of webhooks, okay, plenty of it. Basically, this course is a complete course from starting to end, okay. And if you will see here in credentials, we have created lots of workflows, and this is where we have used you know uh, chat gpt api key to work it, okay. So if you are ever interested and want to learn anything from scratch, even if you are from non-tech background, so still this course will help you out, okay. You can simply click on purchase now button if you want to purchase this course only. Otherwise, you can just go ahead to pricing at the top and click on get membership, and this is the place from where you can basically see you can either buy single course for $5, or you can buy yearly plan $20 per year, or a lifetime plan, which is the best deal. So you simply click on go lifetime, okay, and you can purchase it, okay. Once you purchase it, all the courses will be enabled for you, okay. So you can just go and so basically once you have the membership, you can access all the courses we have along with the AI agent course with the membership, okay. But even you can purchase with one time single payment for the course for $5. That's totally up to you. So these are all the courses we have here. You can see in the left side we have all categories, so make sure to explore our website. Also, we have amazing library. You can tap here for $23. You will going to get developer kit, video editing, and much more. So this is all I wanted to teach you, my dear friends. So make sure that you explore our course. I will also going to attach the link below if possible, but you can always come to my website and uh, you know uh, explore all our courses. Even we have a lot of free courses. Click on watch free courses, and you can even watch amazing free courses for this AI and all. So even if you're a person who don't know about OpenAI AI stuff, so this AI course for beginners course is totally free. All you need to do is to come here and click on start course button to watch it for free, okay. So that's all I wanted to teach you, okay. So make sure that you uh, love these lectures and explore our website.